Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Regis Jerry Does Level Design. With this episode, we are looking at Castle Story, the Defenders of the Gate level. Currently, both of the military bases are completed. You can see that using the pillars and everything, the wall is currently spanning all the way across, similar to the main gatehouse, however, much shorter. The player will actually spawn in the center of the base. I don't have the items and equipment up just yet. That's going to be coming last. I'm going to make sure that every player has all of the necessary equipment, and I'm going to have to ensure that everything that the players have will be all built in one location and then moved over, so that way, once I end up destroying everything, save that file out, I can then move the items over in the folder. Uh, One minor hiccup that we had was right here, these trees are now permanent, so I had to build them into the area. So that meant that the town is now around this central location. And then the same thing over here, some of these trees actually got forced to stay. I tried removing the file, and when I did so, all it did was just chop it off. So I reverted back to an older save where I got most of my trees back, and I just rebuilt the area as it was. This area right here is complete. This is going to be where the peasant player will spawn. I found the paint tool for the grass that allows you to put in cobblestone. So I've been using that to really flesh out the actual pathway from the main gatehouse all the way down to here. This is going to end up being the location where the main player is going to spawn, but I'm going to make sure that I have the actual village completed before I place all the rest of the nodes. And then over here on the right is the second main military player. With this spawn point, we are going to have a really interesting setup because it's going to favor more melee units, but at the same time, you could also use ranged archers. It's multi-layered, and it's built into the cliffside, whereas they built the base inside the trench line. So because of this, the player will have a lot of options of what they can do for expansion, and at the same time, defense will be very easy if they can come out here, get most of their resources. Every player um, now has resources that they can go get on the map. The only thing that the players don't have readily available is right here. When this player starts, he'll be semi-close to brimstone and iron, but not very much iron. So that's why I placed this down here. It's a partial set design, partial, resource that they can end up getting. I'm going to end up adding a crystal right here as well. So if the player expands south, he'll be able to grab that up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Coming up soon is going to be the actual completion of the level. That should be in like the next 2 weeks or so. Thank you and have yourselves a wonderful day.